Mbote, hello and welcome to today's lesson. In our previous lesson, we talked about counting numbers from 200 to 300 in Lingala, and we already have the skeleton, we already have the structure of how to do it. So we said that build those lessons, the numbers going forward. So Kama Misato is 300. Then 301 will be Kama Misato Namoko. 302 will be Kama Misato Namibale. So 309 will be Kama Misato Nalibua. So clearly we are just adding those numbers on the 300. So for numbers between 310 and 320, we will just need to add the teens on the numbers. So for example, the number 314 will be Kama Misato Nazomi Naminei. So that is 314. Then 320, we call it Kama Misato na Tuku Mibale. Kama Misato na Tuku Mibale. So that is 320. So if I have a number that is between 320 and 330, for example, 327, then I'll just say Kama Misato na Tuku Mibale na Sambo. So that is 327. And so we build the same into the 330s. So 330 is called Kama Misato Natuku Misato. So that is 330. So if I want to have a number in the 330s series, let's say 338, then I just need to say Kama Misato Natuku Misato na Mwambe. So that is how to say 338. And then we go on up to the 340s. For example, if I want to say 349, then I'll say Kama Misato Natuku Minei Nalibua. So that is 349. And so we go on up to the 350s, which we'll call, so 350 exactly will be called Kama Misato Nantuku Mitano. So that is 350. So a number building on the 350 platform, such as 356, will be called Kama Misato Natuku Mitano na Motoba. So that is 356. And then we do the same thing for the 360 series. So the number 360 in Lingala is called Kama Misato Natuku Motoba. Kama Misato Natuku Motoba. So that is 360. So we therefore just need to add a number on 360 for numbers between 360 and 369. For example, if I want to say the number 361, then it will be Kama Misato Natuku Motoba Namoko. So that is 361. And then 369, how do you say that? So it is Kama Misato Natuku Motoba Nalibua. So that is 369. And then you go to, the 370s. So a number such as 376 will be called in Lingala Kama Misato Natuku Sambo na Motoba. So that is 376. And then you go to the 380s. So 380 is called Kama Misato Natuku Mwambe. So that is 380. And then you just now build numbers on top of that, like we've been doing for the other numbers, and like we did for numbers below 100. So for example, the number 389 will be called Kama Misato Nantuku Mwambe Nalibua. So that is 389. And then you go to 390, which we will call Kama Misato Natuku Libua. So 391 will therefore be Kama Misato Natuku Libua Namoko. So that is 391. And then you keep on adding those numbers as you progress up to 399, which we will call Kama Misato Natuku Libua Nalibua. And then we go to number 400, which is Kama Minei. So that's how to count numbers from 300 to 400. So like we've been doing, I want you to try and count the following, or I want you to say the following numbers in Lingala. 307, 316, 326, 333, 342, 358, 363, 377, 388, 393. So thank you for watching this lesson. Remember to hit the subscribe button and share this lesson with your friends, with your relatives, with their classmates, so that we can all join and have this big movement of people who speak Lingala. Thank you very much for watching. Melesimi Ngimpo Nakotala Litea Oyo.